Hadian ke jingthoh jangka Khasi Author Society bo menteri rangba bat ke sarkar jala bagi dei ki khleng la thang juat labam namar ke jingbam patmi ke siti penbod nak office menteri rangba syaka sarkar India ban penrungil Ktien Khasi ha ka khrenet ke bapra kariti senchar kari India menteri rangba ukon rat kis sang mau laong bo ladap ban pha nadu katayo baningkong jong banai nai weng araja apulai Kumban syukudau bagi society kala kentu yo menteri rangba ban pha ke siti penbod syaka tenat kampo yeng ke sarkar India ban wanra da ka official bill ha parliament na ka banta ka Ktien Khasi hadian ke jingakhi ha jantar mantar New Delhi.
We have, as you know, already we have passed a resolution. That's number one. After the resolution was passed, on multiple occasions I have written to Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. After the Khasi Author Society had met me last time, within the first week of November, I don't remember the exact date, I have already written a letter to the Home Ministry reminding them again, and this is after the meeting with the Khasi Author Society, and based on their suggestion, I had once again written in the first week of November. So whoever is making whatever statement, they should find out and ask us first before making and jumping to conclusions. It gives a wrong picture. We have already written, as I said, to the ministry. Separate letters have been sent, and this was done in the first week of November this year itself, after the meeting with the Khasi Author Society.